figured they'd draft me eventually, so I kind of beat them to it. I enlisted right out of high school, so took my basic down at Biloxi, Mississippi. It was hot. Got a lot of KP, kitchen work, mess hall. I eventually ended up being cooking school. I went to sent up to Fairbanks, Alaska, lad feud, and then they put me in the officers' mess. I was cook for the officers.
So you must have been a good cook that you got to cook for the officers, huh?
Well, I wouldn't say that, but it wasn't too bad of a place to work, though. After I got out, I went back to farming. So I grew up on the farm, so yeah, I'm glad I got the experience. It was different than what you grew up with, so just a different experience, and got to see country. Can't hardly compete with the experience you get in service.
Would you do it again?
No. I don't think so. Grew up a little bit more that way. Mm-hmm. I've been in a Legion ever since, set for 72 years now. They do a good job of what to do.
How old are you today?
92.
You're just a young pup still. You got all your hair.
Yeah, I got all my hair. Turn different color, that's about all. Yeah.